Within 2 weeks, I have about 30 dead beehive beetles. Hello friends. Initially, I used these straps, except like you see over here, they're totally useless. Bees will plug them up with pulpus and the bugs will go under it, hide under it. I found beehive beetles and the caterpillars hiding under it. So I decided to look for something else. I came across the Freeman beehive beetle trap and I made my own. They're almost 60 bucks a piece. It gets expensive. My own, made out of scrap lumber. Just about all hurricane leftovers. It's basically a rectangle made out of 2x4s. Two-piece 2x4 by 22 inch. Two-piece 2x4 by 13 inch. One piece 2x4 by 16 inch. I have a leftover 3.5 inch hinge. I think I got it from Habitat for Humanity, like 90 cents a piece or whatever. And the screen on it is from number 8 hardware cloth, which means 8 square to an inch, or 1/8 of an inch, almost 3 millimeter in metric. So the bugs could go through, beehive beetles could go through, but not the bees. And this way you don't kill the bees, you just kill beehive beetles. That tray was in that hive right there, hive number 1. The paint on it is Home Depot leftover paint, customer reject. Whatever color, it doesn't matter. And as you see, this is the end result. Trays I'm using are steam table pan lids, 18 pieces for 12 bucks. And about 2 cups of vegetable oil. And this is the end result. I could not be any happier. I did that one too, except there was one too many gaps in it. So I'm going to replace it with this one and modify that one for my 3rd upcoming hive, hopefully. I'm allowed to have 3 hives over here. 3 hives. So this is what I'm going to do right now. You see, I get a piece of wire holding the gate door on it. Nothing fancy. Here's the tray. I just replaced it with a new one. Like I said, after trying them out, these kind of traps were more of a hindrance. Bees just plugged it up in about a week and the bugs went under it. Thank you friends for watching my video. Now I gotta go to place this one. And make sure everything's fine.